Hey friends, are you looking for creative ways to market your next event? Let's dive into social media principles to help you showcase your event like a pro. Welcome to Elevate Experiences YouTube channel, where we share tips and best practices for marketing your next event. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know social media is one of the most powerful and common communication tools in today's world. From connecting with friends to staying updated on local happenings, people are glued to social media platforms. In fact, I think it's safe to say if you're not using social media for your marketing efforts, you're missing a huge opportunity to connect with your potential audience. So, how can you take advantage of social media when it comes to marketing your event? In this video, I'm going to share with you a key technique to use in your social media marketing efforts. And be sure to stay tuned till the end for a free gift to help you as you market your next event. All right, you ready? Here it is. Build a sense of FOMO. Build a sense of FOMO. If you're not sure what the heck I just said, that's okay. FOMO is fear of missing out and is a real thing in today's society. Because of social media, people are experiencing FOMO, or fear of missing out, more than ever. I mean, think about it. How many times have you seen a friend's social media post about the birthday party you weren't able to make it to or the concert you decided not to attend, and it's only after the fact that you realize, man, I really wish I would have gone to that. I didn't have an interest beforehand, but now that I'm seeing what all I missed, I'm seriously regretting my decision. That is called FOMO. And as a social media marketer, you can use FOMO to your benefit, especially as someone who's marketing events. What do I mean by this? Well, you've got a killer event coming up that people should know about. You know that if they miss this event, they'll regret it later. But here's what you don't want. You don't want people to see a stale invite, decide not to go, and then experience the fear of missing out only after the event is over. No, instead, you want to save them from FOMO. You want to create the sense of what I like to call pre-FOMO. This means showcasing your event ahead of time in a way that makes people realize just how much they want to attend. You want to market your event in a way that essentially shouts, hey, if you're not at this event, you run the serious risk of experiencing FOMO later. That might sound silly, but it's something that will significantly help your numbers increase at your next event. So there it is. That's my big tip for marketing your event like a pro. Create a sense of pre-FOMO to show your audience what they'll miss by not attending. Now, I mentioned a free gift earlier. If you're asking yourself, how exactly do I create that sense of pre-FOMO? You can download a free resource we have for you that really lays out this concept. And also be sure to subscribe to our channel because we have even more videos coming out to help you in the event space, whether you're marketing your events, planning your events, or running social media for events. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and in fact, if you did, would you do me a huge favor and click the thumbs up? And hey, to get your hands on that free social media marketing resource, you can find a link to download this free guide in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you can apply this key tip as you market your next event.